Is there a way to reset my Wii Remote to fix it?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to be addressing a common problem that many Wii users experience, an unresponsive or malfunctioning Wii Remote. Don't worry, we have a solution for you that might help, resetting your Wii Remote. It's an easy and straightforward process that can often fix common issues.
What's the issue?
If your Wii Remote is not working correctly, it could be due to a variety of reasons. It might not be synced properly with the console, or it could have experienced a minor software glitch. Before considering a replacement, one of the first solutions you should try is a reset.
How do I reset my Wii Remote?
Resetting your Wii Remote is a simple process. Follow these steps. 1. Turn off your Wii console. This step is crucial to ensure the console and remote are both ready for the resyncing process. 2. Remove the batteries from the Wii Remote. This action forces the remote to power down completely, clearing any glitches that may have occurred. 3. Press and hold the power button on the Wii Remote for 15 seconds. Even without batteries, this step can help to discharge any residual electricity within the device. 4. Reinsert the batteries back into the Wii Remote. 5. Turn on your Wii console. 6. Resync the Wii Remote. Open the small flap on the front of the Wii console and press the red Sync button. Then, remove the battery cover on the back of the Wii Remote to reveal a red Sync button as well. Press the Sync button on the Wii Remote. Remember to be patient during this process. It can sometimes take a few tries to successfully sync the Wii Remote with the console.
What if my Wii Remote still doesn't work?
If your Wii Remote still doesn't work after trying a reset, it could be due to other issues, such as faulty batteries or more significant hardware problems. Try replacing the batteries first, and if the issue persists, consider seeking professional help or buying a replacement Wii Remote. Thanks for watching our guide on how to reset your Wii Remote. We hope that these instructions help you get back to gaming quickly. Remember, sometimes the simplest solutions can be the most effective. Happy gaming!